Hey everybody, it's Captain Sucho here again. Today we're going to be playing another horror game called My Friendly Neighborhood. I've seen a few videos on it, haven't watched any completely all the way through, but it does look like some kind of Sesame Street horror. I don't know too much though, so let's get right into it. Difficulty for those experienced with survival or... Let's go normal.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
That was kind of loud. Welcome to the neighborhood. It's got some hairy hands.
Well, no getting back up that way.
A little too slow. A little too high. Oh, let me get this real quick. Real quick. Should be good. Okay, not terrible. No running, jumping, or crouching.
Oh dear, oh my. You seem to be
Sock
stranded
puppet.
in the basement.
How do I get out of here, Ricky?
Oh, haven't a clue. Never come down here myself. Why? What's got your overalls in a knot?
I'm trying to get to the roof.
The roof? Look, you gotta give up this nonsense about the antenna. Looks very bad. Very unprofessional.
It's my job.
Look, Gordy, I know our routine's a little rough, but don't judge a show by its pilot. Incidentally, I would hide again.
What is it this time?
Well, Ray, of course. He's the best sort of monster janitor thing, but doesn't like it when people intrude on his territory. Tends to get a bit grouchy. One might say, assault happy?
Great. Are all of you puppets crazy?
Well, Ray has always been a little grouchy, even before the shutdown. That's why they moved him down here. Only way out is by elevator, and he can't figure out how to use the buttons. Didn't help, though. He goes through the pipes.
Elevator. Got it.
Oh, silly me. I forgot about the elevators. Really, Gordon, I wouldn't bother. The cables are probably rusted. I don't think they even run anymore.
I'll take my chances.
Wow, you're so courageous and stuff. Look, I gotta go wash my hair.
4 strands of it?
Stupid puppets.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna just come look at this real quick. It's locked from the other side. Is there another door somewhere? Go check that one too. Obviously we're gonna have to go through there to go play with Ray, but I just want to check. Oh. I just figured this door would have been locked. Okay, well, before we do this, I'm gonna go check that other door. Okay.
The mail comes every day. I look out the window waiting for the moment it appears. And then when it does, I rush outside to see what I got. Sometimes it's little pieces of paper. Sometimes it's big boxes.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
I always open it immediately. My favorite new pair of socks. I got it. Welcome. Hi.
My toothbrush. You can put any of your favorite condiments on your toothbrush.
Oh.
I choose
Letter
horseradish
P.
sauce. Then I start
think that's
brushing
a
my
no.
teeth. Get every single part of your mouth covered and scrub the horseradish deep into the skin in your mouth.
So you could tape them up with tape.
When you're all done, leave it so it can form a protective layer during the night. Now you're all ready to go. Sleep well. I'll be thinking about you.
Just gonna explore, I guess. I just want to see what we got around here.
Looks like it needs power.
Yeah, looks like it. What about this? Does it need power too? 3. That says... I don't know, honestly. That's Just, I don't even know. If it's Roman numerals, then that would be 10, right? And that would be 9? VII, why is it circled? That's not 9. Okay, okay. Oh. What is this? Shells? Like for a shotgun? 1 tape, magazine. What is this? Health? Okay. Oh. Well, I don't think I need to save yet. I've only shot one dude. What is it? Oh, more coins. Nice. I didn't even see these. Health Alax. Okay, so that's what that was. Locked. So obviously there are some puzzles, as you can tell from right here and right there. So that guy should be taped up, right? Can't. Okay, okay. What's up with these little mice?
Hey there,
I
kids.
learned my numbers when I was a kid.
That's right. It's the
Here, let me show you how I learned.
inside of your
Hold your hands up in the air, and now bring them down in front of your face. Hey!
What do I eat?
Oh, there's only 3 to take
I
her
eat
out.
The channels that you never watch.
I only got 1 tape. I kind of want to save it just in case.
My jaws. Nom, 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 nom. But here, I'll tell you
This
what.
mouse is kind of quiet. Oh,
You
never mind.
Some of that cereal in your
What the hell?
Hey! Who's there?
It's probably Ray. Oh, nice. More ammo. Okay. Oh. Is that Ray? Must be the power, I'm guessing. Oh!
Jeez, that gave me a scare. What was that?
Hello, Ray? You in there? That did scare me just a little bit, I guess, but it was enough. Nothing. Ooh, more ammo. Some shells and another health potion. I am healthy, so I think I'll be right. Okay, tab will open up the menu. Oh. You guys probably don't want to see this. Yeah, we'll just stop. Okay, so I'm guessing that I just turned all the power on. Another mouse. So we're gonna have to shoot that lady again, I'm guessing. Whoa, what? Is that? What the hell's that growling?
Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm feeling at lunch. What sort of things do I eat? Well, I'm glad you asked.
No, we came from this way.
I eat
What? That's where the puzzle's at. Let me go over here.
I eat leftovers.
Okay. I'm guessing I need something to put into those slots. Oh. To all construction personnel, due to the ongoing renovation of the deeper stages, a high security door has been installed to keep puppets out of the construction zone. Every employee has been issued a set of punch cards for opening the door. If you lose your punch cards, this machine can be used to generate replacements. Okay. Oh. There's gotta be something I'm missing. What was this room again? I don't even want to check it just because I'll check it. I don't even remember if I checked in here. Oh yeah. It's a save and health station. Alright. Guess it's time to go the other way.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting ready for bed.
This
First,
guy's pretty
I
funny,
get
just
my
sitting on the
PJs
ground talking.
So I can be warm and comfy all night. Next, I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush. You can put any of your favorite condiments on your toothbrush. I choose Worcestershire sauce. Then I start brushing my teeth.
I don't know if I want to die to him just yet. I haven't saved. Is he gonna chase me?
Then, when you're all done, leave it.
Oh. Okay. Let's go check out this other area then. I guess that was the first place we had to go to. We probably could have split it up, but... I'm guessing a diamond key, red diamond.
Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm feeling at lunch.
Just gonna try sneaking around a little bit, see if I can find anything. Every door just can be opened apparently, except for... Ooh, the shotgun, right? The novelist.
Let's get writing.
Okay. Okay, I like that. More tape, nice. How much tape do I have? Probably not very much. I don't know if I grabbed another one, so I think only 2, but... I have an overwhelmingly large amount of ammo. I'm just gonna go killing some people after this, I guess. Maybe not killing them, because I guess I come back. Just shoot them with letters? What, my next letter's a Z? We'll see, I guess.
If you can do all sorts of things. Grab your pencil.
I think I'm gonna leave that guy alone for now, though. He looks pretty relaxed and just having a good time. Oh no.
First, I beat her to the ground. Then I stomped her face.
Whoa.
We started laughing at each other and everything was okay. That's why you should always try and make friends with friends who will forgive you.
I don't know if that's good advice. Yeah, that's what you get for saying some stupid stuff. I'm gonna tie you up, too. I think I got enough tape to spare for that guy. He said some mean things. Talking about, that's why you should always get friends that should forgive you. Okay, that's a key door, it looks like. I'm not sure, it looks like a balloon. More tape. Oh, okay. Wasn't expecting to see this guy just stuffed into a locker. A metal piece. No room in the toolbox. Let's see. Yeah, I guess you are right about that. What does this do? Well, we'll come back here. I He's got too much loot, apparently. Ooh, a note. Benny, could you walk me home after the shoot today? I'm feeling a little unsettled after that mugging on Great Street a couple nights ago. It seems like the city is getting more and more violent every day. Some days I feel like the only safe place is the neighborhood. I know it's silly, but it'd mean a lot to me. Mr. Gerswald usually lets me go around 6:30. Meet me in the office lobby. Julia. Okay. A drawing. Is that the, I don't know their names. Ronnie, I think, maybe? And a hat. Nice, okay. A little loot room.
You do when you get upset. You let it get you down. Let me tell you about the time my friend Junebug got me all upset at her. First,
A chain, okay.
her to the ground. Then I stopped her. Everything was
I want to see that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, God. Ow. I think I'm going to come through here a few times. Oh, I got an extra tape anyway.
What? Learn the alphabet? What's the alphabet?
Oh, that's easy. It's what words are made out of.
Oh my gosh.
The one that I see in my books?
Yeah, just like that one, buddy. I feel like I'm missing something. Let me go check it, see if this is unlocked, because I turned the power on, so... No, okay. So we have to go, it's locked on the other side, yeah. Let's go back through here. Make sure I didn't miss anything.
Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm
Grab your
feeling at lunch.
pencil. Let's go
What sort of
on
things do I eat?
adventure.
Well, I'm glad you asked.
So
When I'm feeling
first,
happy, I eat watermelon. When I'm sad,
Oh!
when I'm confused, I eat
That was
roadkill
nice, that
outside.
was nice.
When I'm angry, I feast upon the fears of my enemies.
Let's go spend a coin. Oh, this is not the coin. This is not the save station. Well, time to kill her again, I guess. Or shoot her with the alphabet. That guy, why is he laughing like that? That metal piece I feel like that I missed earlier. Oh, a map. Oh, that will be so nice. Square plus 2, triangle minus 1, circle plus 6. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what that means, but... Ooh, that hand was a little ugly. Nice, thank you. We need a key, yep, okay. Okay, we'll check the map, see what we got. So this is where we're at, by the slide. No. Oh. Okay. Huh. Oh, that's what we need. We need the metal piece. Okay.
I learned my numbers when I was a kid.
Tell your friends to
Here,
jump
let me
in
show
up,
you how I
wind
learned.
them up,
Hold your hands up in the air. Now bring them down in front of your face. See? That's 2
I want to see what happens. Oh!
and swallow as
think we
hard
could
as
shoot
you
him?
can. Now you have one hand inside your stomach, outside.
Yeah, what the heck was that? He just
Take your other
smacked the
hand
crap out of me. So this is where we are, right?
What is my favorite meal of the day? I always eat the fruit that most represents how I eat at lunch. What sorts of things do I eat? Well, I'm glad you asked.
Again, just like the first video, I am very easily lost in areas like this, but I think the metal piece might be in here. So we know shotgun shells are right over there. Oh, Mr. Al. I was hanging around the office last night to keep the pipes from freezing, so I had the time to work out the kinks on our latest project. The output is pretty flashy, but it should be useful for stunts, special effects, etc. I blasted a couple Normans with it, and they seem to have fun flying across the room. It uses up a lot of letters though, so try to conserve ammo. By the way, a few of the employees might notice their typewriters are missing. Hank. You little fiend, Hank, stealing people's typewriters. Locked from the other side. Did I go to the wrong room? I guess I did.
What do you do when you get upset? Do you let it get you down? Let me tell you about the time that my friend Pearl got me all upset at her. First, I beat her to the ground.
What?
Then, I stomped her face.
Wait.
Then we started laughing at each other, and everything was okay. That's why you should always try to make friends with friends who will forgive you.
These people are terrible. These puppets. Holy cow. They forgive you, or did you just force them to? Stomped on her face. Like, what the heck? A metal piece is in here, I believe. The dead body. Nice, okay. Let's see if I can pick up this alpha axe. Nice. Alright. Let's see if we can make it into just a straight line to where we need to go.
Do you let it get you down? Let me tell you about the time that my friend Pearl got me all upset at her.
For some reason I think it's that way, but I'm glad I was wrong. The plug seems incomplete, but do I have to... How is the plug incomplete? Let me... Okay, well, this is gonna be a long video. There's still something at Ray's stage?
What do you do when you get upset? Do you let it get you down? Let me tell you about the time my friend Winner got me all upset at him.
Just gonna run for it.
First, I beat him to the ground.
But now
Then
that I got
I stomped his face. Then we started laughing at each other. And then
Those guys are messed up, man. I'm I'm gonna have like missed the simplest of things. Episode 27, segment 6, Ray's Plumbing Nightmare. Intro to Ray's set. Ricky enters Ray's set, looking around for Ray. Ricky, oh boy, where's Ray? 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 The room shakes and water splashes down from the ceiling. Ricky, oh my goodness, what is happening? Ray emerges from his pipe holding a plunger. Ricky, there you are! Ray, what's going on? Ray grumbles and points with plunger. Ricky, what? People are trying to get rid of their problems by flushing them down the toilet? Laundry, taxes, blackmail? Ray, these are parts of life. You can't just ignore them. Song number, don't flush away your problems. As the song ends, the room shakes and water splashes down from the ceiling. Ricky, Ray, if we don't get this problem taken care of, won't the whole sewer system explode, destroying the entire city? That's a little bit extreme, but, I mean, whatever happens, happens.
Boy, do I have just the thing for you.
This is my
Oh,
favorite meal of the
shoot.
day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm feeling at lunch. What sort of things do I
Oh, hey,
eat?
little mouse.
Well, I'm glad
Another
you asked.
mouse.
When I'm feeling happy, I eat watermelon. When I'm we're all friendly here. Friendly, friendly, friendly.
I just need to go. That was the worst decision I've ever made. Holy cow. Oh. That was terrifying. I was not expecting that. Oh. He just exploded into like 30 of them.
Oh, hey there. It's nice to meet you.
That was terrifying. I was not expecting that. What did that give me? Pretty sure that has something to do with it. Alright. So we come look at this. Square plus 2. Triangle minus 1. Okay. So that's 3. So we do 2 squares and a triangle. There's no way to grab this? Okay. 5, so it'd be a circle and a triangle. And then 9 would be I said 5, that's okay, so 2 squares and a triangle. We'll try it. We'll see what happens, alright? Okay, so we need 3, so we go 1, 2, 3, make it, boom. Okay, okay. So, we need to get this one to 10. Why is that? We'll check, okay, so 10? Okay, and this one says 8, so we could just try 8. Let's see what happens if we just do 3 circles, right? Nah, it's just gonna end up right there. Oh, that's a 7, not 8. That one's circled, so. Nice. Some shotgun shells and whatnot. I think I'm gonna save though. Maybe go grab my spare shotgun shells from the toolbox. So, let's see. Yuck. A hand. Have a smiling day. Ricky with friends. That's that one dude's name. Zip zap, here comes the signals. Joy televised from My Friendly Neighborhood. Okay. Well, I guess we're moving to the next spot. We're in the sewers currently, right? So it's a stage was the other. Oh, we're still in the sewers.
Wow. Wonder how deep this goes.
Oh, obviously it went the wrong way out right away. Ow. What? Check it out. Please be locked. Deep and stinky water. Before I ride on that boat, let me go check out the rest of this place. No sprint. Makes it really difficult. Let's see what's out here.
Sure is,
What do you do when you get upset?
Maybe I
Let
can
it get
talk to
you down.
Oh, it's only
Let
2.
me tell you about the time that my friend Junebug got me all upset at her.
Oh,
First,
hey there.
Wait,
It's nice to meet you.
Then I stomped her face. We're all friends with time.
Oh! Don't scare me like that, buddy.
When I'm angry, I feast upon the tears of my enemies.
Oh.
When I'm smart, I eat everyone else's food. And when I'm in a hurry, well, maybe I shouldn't talk about that one.
Hey, oh. Locked, probably. No power. I thought I turned the power on.
Jump it in, jump, jump. Tell your friends to jump in lumps. Find a lump, do a jump. Wallow inside that lump.
Oh. I don't like that. I got a feeling they're all gonna come to life one of these times.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflowers. I love to sit up.
system is a little weird because you have to click, and I don't think there's any other way to reload.
Condiments on your brush.
But
I choose Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Brushing my teeth. Get every single part of your mouth covered and scrub the Worcestershire sauce deep into the skin on your mouth.
Ugh.
When you're all done, leave it so it can form a protective layer during the night.
Yuck. Yuck. I don't want to hear that. Oh. I've yet to find a key. Don't you get up? Oh my gosh, a lock. Oh, nice. Frank, Ray's seemed pretty interested in the sewers lately, so I went ahead and hid the doors, fuses, and those lock boxes around the basement. There's one in this hall, puppet storage, the locker room, and the hangout by the punch cards machine. Okay. So there's one in here. Please don't get up. White heart. Okay, let me come in. Why? Why is it just... What is this? Shotgun ammo? No, okay. This is, yeah, see, okay, I got the white heart fuse.
What do you do when you get upset? You let it get you down? Tell you about the time that my friend Junebug got me all upset at her. First, I...
Jump it in, jump. Tell your friends to jump in first.
Why is she running so fast? Why was she running so fast?
Now, I notice cameras, lights, producers.
Oh, it's Ray.
Notice the children. Norman has
Is this puppet storage, maybe? Yeah, it is. The white clover. Oh, God. I do not like that at all. Now they're back.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds. For squirrels, you can bring peanuts. For dogs, you can bring squirrels. For the sewer freak, you can bring yesterday's lunch. Lunch is my favorite.
Oh, what? There were not people here.
What's your please like eat? Well, I'm glad you asked. When I'm sad, I eat leftovers. When I'm confused, I eat the roadkill outside. When I'm angry, I feast upon the tears of my enemies. When I'm smart, I am a friend.
Oh, no, oh, no, 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 no. Let's see. Is this a shortcut? From the map, that's kind of what it looked like. Health station. Nice, more tape. so now we're back at the slide. Wait a minute. I'll grab those. I could always use more shells. Just make sure there's absolutely nothing left in here. I don't like that there's darts into that. Yeah, this is where I got the shoddy. Okay.
It's time for a duet! A duet with myself! This is the part that is hard!
This is the part that is low.
This is the part that is medium! This is the part that
Tell your
isn't!
friends to jump in lumps. Find a lump, do a jump. Wallow inside of that lump. Wallow, wallow, have some fun. Keep on screaming till you've won. Scream at children, scream at birds. Scream out all the dirty words. Now, when you're all full of bumps, jump out of that funny lump.
So not in here. Oh, it is. Okay. Diamond. Okay.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting ready for bed. First, I get my PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night. Next, I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush. You can put any of your favorite condiments on your toothbrush. I choose horseradish sauce. Then I start brushing my teeth.
It's gross.
I'm Junebug. I was asked to talk about responsibility. See, I used to be all turned upside down when I thinking about responsibility. I remember one day, went downstairs, made breakfast for my parents, went to school, rode home on the bus, did my homework, and went to bed early. Welcome, weekend!
Fingers through. No. Yay! I love that one. The longer you keep me around, the more help I'll be.
Okay. Oh, it's right there. I think the key, I'm done with the key. I think that's what that check mark means. Oops. Okay. Nope, sewer. I'm not 100% sure I know where to go.
Sometimes we would swap our arms, then we would swap our legs. Hey!
If you can draw, you can do all sorts of things. Grab your...
Why?
Yeah, it sure is it's quiet around here these days. Oh, I like that. The suitcases are pretty good. I can't get into them right now. Oh, maybe I will one day. Maybe they're full of Well, it's time for, what does Norman notice? Oh, let's see here.
Oh, I forgot about him.
Norman notices winner! Oh, I can't believe you noticed me. Oh, I notice all sorts of things. Here, let's play again.
Strange kind of breaker box.
Oh, bro. Heart's third. Diamond is second. I didn't even grab it. I made all that room and then didn't even grab it. Can you talk about embarrassing? I like to live life on the edge. I'm running low on ammo too, I guess, so.
Make a big triangle.
You go to the
Just
park. All the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds. For squirrels, you can bring peanuts. When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring sunflower seeds. For squirrels, you can bring peanuts. For dogs, you can bring squirrels.
Right, that's where the boat's at? Yeah. I can't believe that. I can't believe I didn't grab it.
If you can draw, you can do all sorts of things. Grab your pencil and let's go on an adventure.
Jump, jumpity, jump, jump. Tell your friends to jump in lumps. Find a lump, do a jump. Wallow inside of that lump. Wallow, wallow, have some fun. Keep on screaming till you've won. Scream at children. Scream at birds. Scream at...
I think we grabbed this one. Pretty sure I already checked all these already too, so. Yep, I knew it was the other one. Creepy.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start... I'm Junebug. I was asked to talk about responsibility. See, I used to be all turned upside down.
I learned my numbers when I was a kid.
I remember one day,
Here, let me show you how I learned.
breakfast with my
Hold your
parents,
hands
went to
up in the
school,
air.
rode home on the bus, did my
Down.
homework.
So idiotic. I can't believe I forgot to grab it. I made room and everything.
I learned my numbers when I was a kid. Here, let me show you how I learned. Hold your hands up in the air. Now bring them down in front of your face.
If you can
See?
draw,
That's
you can do
2
all sorts of
hands.
things.
Now,
Grab
take
your
one of your
pencil
hands,
and
put it
let's
in
go
your
on
mouth,
an
and swallow as
adventure.
hard as you can. Now you have one hand
So
inside of your
first,
stomach and one hand outside.
We can't go through there yet, can we? Okay. I didn't think so, but...
Sleeping can be the best part of the day.
Ring,
I always
ring.
start by getting ready for bed.
Junebug,
First,
did you
I
get
put
the
my
phone?
PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night.
I believe it's right here, right? I don't even know if this is faster, honestly, but... Pipes.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring peanuts. For dogs, you can bring squirrels. For the sewer grate, you can bring yesterday's filter.
Okay, we have AR for Argon. Okay, we got
Sunflower seeds.
Fox.
Squirrels, you can bring peanuts. Dogs, you can bring squirrels. Sewer grate, you can bring yesterday's leftovers. Then you can bring whatever's in your trash can. Environment, you can bring a punk rock.
Hello, little mouse.
Yeah, sure is. It's quiet around here these days. Oh, I like that. What is? I like the suitcases. They're pretty good. I can't get into them. But, maybe I will one day. Maybe they're full of food.
A statue.
What? Learn the alphabet? What's the alphabet?
To cut the chain. Nice.
Oh, you mean like the ones that I... We're all friendly here. Oh, I'm fly.
I freaking knew that was gonna happen. Why did I even ring the bell? Oh, nice. Now we can come through here. Nothing here to grab. No tape. I mean, just run around and find it. I got a feeling it's not on this side. Maybe. Out of order.
Jump, jump, jumpity, jump, jump. Tell your friends to jump in lumps. Find a lump, do a jump.
Bolt cutters.
Always
Always gonna be, you know, Oregon. A cheat unlocked.
No matter what I
Now, when you're all full of bumps, jump out of that running lump.
got it in the
Come on
mail.
home and
A
go to
letter from a dear old friend. I got it in the mail. An assortment of the best bugs the world has to offer. Well, that one just appears in my house.
Let's go. Got to the elevator.
My neighbors stuffed it into a box and shipped to my house.
Hey there, John here. Thanks very much for playing this demo. I hope that you enjoyed yourself. My friendly neighborhood development is progressing fantastically. There will be more to share soon. If you did enjoy, I'd really appreciate a wish list over on Steam. It goes a long, long way to making My Friendly Neighborhood come to life. I've got a different project you can check out too. It's very different from this one, but it may strike your fancy. Oh, one other thing. It might be worth taking a second look around the basement. See you soon. This is a nice song. Pretty catchy. As you can tell, it sounds kind of similar to like Sesame Street and stuff like that. But yeah, that was My Friendly Neighborhood. New modes, speedrun, camera, infinite Rolodexer, and veteran, long arms. Whoa. What would that even do? But yeah, that's it right there. That's My Friendly Neighborhood. I thought it was a pretty good game. There were some creepy moments, like when the puppets were talking, they would say some pretty messed up things. And when that one dude, what was his name, Ricky, I believe, I shot him and he burst into like 30 of them. That I was terrified. I did not know what to do. My heart jumped out of my chest. But if you liked the video, you already know what to do. Give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. I'll be posting more soon. I'll see you guys later.